Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Golden Conqueror EA for MT5. This is an active gold scalping system that claims a strict one trade at a time rule with no grid or martingale. So let's examine the claims and walk through my own personal backtest as well. So as you can see, the EA goes for 999 US dollars. And if we expand this a bit more, you see that from the MKO5 page, the Golden Conqueror is described as a fully automated active scalping algorithmic system designed exclusively for XAUUSD gold. It uses high precision pivot breakouts to exploit market momentum and volume surges. The developer states that the EA strictly avoids grid or martingale systems and limits itself to a maximum of one open trade at a time. Every position is secured with a predefined stop loss quoted as 1,500 points. You can see strict 1,500 points SL and calculated take profits and an aggressive dynamic trailing stop. Built-in latency compensation, virtual stealth orders, and hard-coded broker-specific profiles are also mentioned. A live signal in aggressive mode is available along with broker and account type guidance. The system is positioned for daily action with consistent market entries. As for the features, the key features include the pivot breakout scalping logic, strict one trade limits, predefined stop loss and take profits, dynamic trailing stop, latency compensation, virtual stealth orders, and broker specific profiles. The recommended setup, as you can see, is the XAUUSD gold pair on the M1 time frame. The minimum balance around $200 and the high speed, low latency VPS under 10 ms ping. Several specific broker and account type combinations are listed as preferred. Installation is described as attaching the EA to an M1 gold chart and selecting the desired risk percentage per trade. Alright, so we have some screenshots here on the charts or here on the website rather. So let's take a look at some of them, some of the developers' results. So you can see that from the developers testing, it didn't specify the period, but you can see that for an initial deposit of $1,000, they claim a total net profit of $6,041, a profit factor, a high profit factor actually of 18.65, and balance drawdown of 4.02%. Okay. Let's take a look at some of the other screenshots available. Alright, so you can see how the equity curve looks. Pretty decent movement overall. But does this actually hold true when put through my own personal backtest? Like I said at the beginning of this video, I carried out my own personal backtest on the EA. So we are actually going to be able to compare the results here on the website with what happens when I put it through my own backtest to see if it actually holds true. So let's quickly go over to MT5 and take a look. So as you can see, I have the EA installed, the Golden Conqueror, and um, I use the recommended pair, the XAUUSD, on the recommended time frame as well, the M1 time frame. All right. So we're going to take a look at some of the results or the results based on my backtest for the period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. For an initial deposit of 10K, $10,000, the equity curve shows strong overall growth with net profits around $169,000 and the profit factor of 2.44. The maximum Relative drawdown, however, reaches the low to mid 20s to high 30s% range, as you can see, 22.81%, while the balance drawdown was 19.09%. All right, so there we have that. The one trade at a time design and absence of greed or martingale are clear positives for risk transparency. A fixed stop loss on every trade further defines risk per position. At the same time, the magnitude of the drawdown in test indicates that even single position gold scalping on M1 can experience significant equity swings, especially if the stop is relatively wide or trailing is delayed during fast moves. Active M1 scalping is highly sensitive to spreads, slippage, and execution speeds. The developer's emphasis on low latency VPS and specific broker profiles reflects this reality. Strong historical growth must be weighed against the drawdown levels and the inherent noise of the M1 gold environment. Honestly, the features that matter most are the risk percentage per trade, the actual stop loss distance in live conditions, continuous low latency execution, and realistic expectations about drawdown even with a one trade limit. Pivot breakouts can work well in momentum phases and fail during choppy or reversing conditions. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, M1 gold scalping amplifies the impact of spreads and slippage. In practice, you should start with the lowest risk percentage, use a true low spread account and fast VPS, monitor the live signal if available, and treat the strong growth figures as conditional on the tested environment, as past results never guarantee future performance. Overall, the Golden Conqueror EA is an active M1 gold pivot breakout scalper that limits itself to one open trade with predefined stops and trailing. The shared backtest that I carried out shows strong growth accompanied by substantial drawdown. Independent verification, conservative risks, and excellent execution conditions are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex support from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.